Hi, good day. Here update continuously working rotary drop carbonization furnace working video. We are using a sawdust, and this is the smokeless design. The whole system is smokeless with water purification system. These are water purification tubes. It will connect it with water, circulation water, to treat the smoke and to recycle the flammable gas. This draws the fan to bring smoke out and send back the flammable gas to the bottom for heating. This is extra gas burner. All the flammable gas, they will burn at the bottom of these burners for heating. This is discharge cooling conveyor, and the charcoal biochar will discharge here. After discharge, after cooling, it will be not so hot. The discharged charcoal and biochar, they are fully carbonized. We use electric ignition system. Just turn on the switch and it will light fire of the gas. And when it succeeds, the signal light will not lighting. If it's filled, there will be alarm and also the signal light will lighting. Then we can try again.
Adjust the gas and the air. Okay, succeed. The fourth.
Check the whole system. It's smokeless. Smoke is working.
Now the temperature is 448. Now the combustible gas is burning very well.
At the bottom, these all flammable gas from materials carbonization itself. You can see them. So for this system, we only need external heating fuel for preheating period, and after that, all count on the flammable gas from material itself.
No, here is no burning gas. Here all the all the gas have returned back to the furnace.
After we fed in materials as well, and they're producing the flammable gas and even many much more extra gas. If you also have a lot of biomass raw material and you plan to produce charcoal biochar, do not hesitate to contact CARE. We will send you free solution based on your requirements and also suggest you suitable model of machine. During the discussion, you will understand more about the carbonization and about charcoal making. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Thank you.